I just need to double check. I don't want to misclick. Wow, I'm shocked. Look at the screen. Did you? Wow, that's awesome. Honestly, my hands are actually shaking a little bit right now because, you know, wait. Just look at the screen. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys already know, I spend a lot of time exploring different crypto platforms and testing games. If you've ever tried searching for decent crypto projects yourself, you know that 99% of them are honestly just pure garbage. Anyway, listen, I recently came across a specific Telegram-based project that really caught my eye, so I've decided to put it to the test with you all. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. This is absolutely not financial advice, and I'm doing this purely for educational and entertainment purposes. First of all, let's hop over to Telegram. Yeah, as you can see, there's a helper tool. This is how it looks. And right here, I'm going to click Start. Yep. And boom. There we go. All right. Let's launch the app interface. Yeah, this is exactly the layout I wanted to show you. I'm a big fan of this interface. It's super clean, modern, and really user-friendly. I'm hitting continue. All right, now there's a quick technical step we need to finish to get things started. Give me a second to take care of this. It's just a routine configuration adjustment, so nothing to worry about. Just I'll get just a moment. All right, I'm just heading back to my account now. I'm entering the information right here. Give me a brief moment while I get this sorted out. It only takes a couple of simple steps. While I'm getting this set up, guys, I have to remind you once again that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to run some tests and document my own personal experience. Definitely not suggesting or encouraging anyone to replicate what you see on the screen. Okay, and I think I need to reload this thing. Yeah, awesome. The configuration is done. Yeah, it's completely done. Perfect. Let's head back to the session. I'm going to tap the second one here, and now I am currently in the process of synchronizing this technical tool with the project interface right now. It's a very simple process, so you just need to follow the on-screen prompts. Just allow me a moment to get this finished up. I only need to adjust a few final settings, and then we will be completely good to go. All right, guys. So I just need to copy the information, paste it, and send it. And the final step, okay, I need to go ahead and enter the number right here. Yeah. Okay, I think we should probably wait. We really ought to wait just a little bit longer. So yeah, here it finally is. To be perfectly honest, I am starting to get a little bit excited now, guys. I am a little bit nervous. Anyway, let's start. In the meantime, I'm putting in a small test amount for this experiment that I'm perfectly fine with losing. Remember, this is just a controlled test. All right, let's start opening these tiles, just like that. Yeah, looks good. I love it. I just need to double check. I don't want it to misclick. Wow, I'm shocked. Look at the screen. Did you? Wow, that's awesome. I can't believe it. To be honest, I really like how smooth this feels. I'm genuinely excited to be analyzing this right now, and we're moving into the final part of this whole experiment. I have absolutely zero expectations about the result, but I can't help feeling a little hyped. Don't mind me, guys. Now I'm just finishing the last step of the validation. Okay, I'm going back to my account and grab this info right here. Okay. All right. Again, I'm not expecting anything crazy. I'm just doing this for a video demonstration. Yeah. Okay. Hit the button and we should wait a little bit. Let me just navigate back to the main account screen. Honestly, my hands are actually shaking a little bit right now because, wait. Just look at the screen. Did you actually see that? Wow. I truly cannot believe it. Wow, that is just absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video.